Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to display content on a CMS page using a block template. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. So for that, I have created a template homepage_content.phtml, and I will display this content on the CMS page. To do this, go to the admin panel, then navigate to Content, then Pages. Here, you will see multiple CMS pages, such as Homepage, Privacy and Cookies, and Enable Cookies. First, we will add this content or template to the homepage. Click on Select, then choose Edit. Once it opens, go to the Content section and click on the Edit Page Builder button. Now, click on the Settings icon. Here, we will add our block. As you can see, we are using a Magento core class and the template from our module, CMS page content homepage_content.phtml. When this CMS page is rendered, it will also render the content from this template. After adding the block, click on the Save button. Then we will check if our content from homepage_content.phtml is showing on the homepage or not. Simply refresh the page, and as you can see, the template content is now visible on the homepage. Now, let's verify whether the same content appears on other CMS pages or not. We will open the Privacy and Cookie Policy page. Since it is also a CMS page, we'll check whether the same content is displayed here or not. So, scroll down to verify. The content should appear here, but it's not showing. This is because the content we added to the homepage CMS page is only applied to that specific page. If you want to display the same CMS content on all CMS pages, you need to create a layout file, such as cms_page_view.xml, and add our block or PHTML file. Here, we are also using a core block, which is the Magento framework via element template. If you want, you can use your own custom block as well. For now, we are using our template from the Webkul CMS Page module, which is the same content that is already shown on the homepage. Now, we want this content to appear on every CMS page. So, clear the cache, and once it's done, go to the front end and reload the pages. As you can see, this content is showing twice. This happens because the first instance is coming from the homepage CMS content that we added, and the second instance is coming from the layout we created. Now, let's check whether this content is also appearing on other pages. We'll reload the Privacy and Cookie Policy page. As you can see, the same content is now displayed on this page as well. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.